Greetings from Mithi. Welcome to a series of self-learning videos on understanding and using Ideolve. In this video, let's learn how to add users to the Ideolve team in bulk using CSV. Your team will have a domain on Ideolve. For example, the team for parallel learning has the Ideolve domain, parallel-learning.ideolve.com. To add users in bulk to the Ideolve domain, log in to the portal using administrator account Postmaster, which has the rights to provision and manage users on Ideolve. The credentials for Postmaster account of your domain would have been shared with you in the welcome mail when your domain was created on Ideolve. Click the username to open the user panel. Here you can see the admin panel link. Click the link to launch the admin panel. The Ideolve admin panel allows you to add users in bulk by importing a CSV file. A CSV file must contain default properties like username, password, and the class of service, that is COS, which are required to add a user. You can also include all other properties of the user in the CSV. Let's take a quick look on the format to be followed while creating the CSV. Let's use the sample CSV created on the Ideolve domain parallel-learning.ideolve.com. The first row in the CSV file has the field names. From the second row onwards, each row represents one user on the Ideolve domain. The username of Ideolve will be amit.patil. The second column will contain the default password. The third column has the COS, that is class of service. Use the COS value Ideolve user COS for all the normal users, Ideolve admin COS for all the admin users, and Ideolve junior admin COS for all junior admin users. The fourth and the fifth columns are used for the username. The next column is called alternate email ID and should contain the email ID of the user. Once the CSV file is ready, it can be used to add Ideolve team members in bulk. On the admin panel interface, click on the drop-down arrow and choose the import option from the list. This will open the Create New Users window. Keep the options Add New Users from the CSV and Update the properties of existing and new users from the CSV selected. Locate the required CSV file on your machine. Click Continue to proceed. The CSV file is processed in two steps. In the first step, new users are added. On completion of the first step, you will be shown the status. Click on Update Properties to update the properties of all users specified in the CSV. The application validates the user details, checks for duplicate records, and shows the validation status. To see invalid property details, click on the Show Invalid User Properties link. You can choose to ignore the invalid properties and proceed to continue or cancel the operation. Once the validation is complete, click on Update. Once the updation is complete, click the Done button to exit the process. The admin panel will now show you the newly added and updated users. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ideolve.